It is dinner time. Sarah is on her way to Mark's apartment. She looks very nice. She is wearing a green dress. When she gets to Mark's apartment, she knocks on the door. Mark opens the door. Sarah smiles. She is happy to come over for dinner. Sarah walks into Mark's apartment. Mark is in the kitchen. He is cooking pasta. The pasta is in a big pot on the stove. There is also a big bowl of cooked pasta on the counter. The apartment smells so good. Mark is a good cook. He smiles at Sarah. Now, Sarah and Mark are sitting at the table. The table looks pretty. There is a white tablecloth and a candle. Mark is pouring red wine into 2 glasses. Sarah is looking at the pasta in the middle of the table. She is ready to eat. It looks like a very nice dinner. Sarah and Mark are eating dinner. They are talking and laughing. Sarah is telling a story. She is using her hands a lot when she talks. Mark is listening and smiling. They are having a good time. They like being together. Oh no! Sarah is talking and moving her hands. Her hand hits the bottle of wine. The bottle falls over. Red wine spills everywhere. It is on the tablecloth. It is on the floor. Sarah and Mark look surprised. It is a big mess. Quickly, Sarah and Mark grab napkins. They start to wipe up the wine. Mark wipes the floor. Sarah wipes the table. Their hands touch while they are cleaning. They look at each other. They are not mad about the mess. Now the wine is all cleaned up. The mess is gone. Mark stands up from the table. He is looking at Sarah. Sarah is looking at Mark. There's a special feeling in the air. The candle is between them. They are smiling softly. Something nice is going to happen. Mark leans in. Sarah leans in. They kiss. It is their first kiss. They like each other very much. This is a happy moment for Sarah and Mark. The candle is still burning on the table. It is a very romantic dinner. Later, Sarah and Mark are sitting on the sofa. They are happy. Suddenly, Mark's phone lights up. He looks at the screen. He sees a message. It is from a woman. Mark looks worried. Sarah looks at his face, and she looks worried too. What does the message say? Who is this woman? What a story. Sarah and Mark had a nice dinner, then a big mess, then a kiss. But what about the message? Who is the woman? We will find out in the next episode. This was Learning English through Comprehensible Input. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode.